cue the I just got a new apartment. Don't copyright me, Ari, because I'm seeing you and you be ashamed if you look at him. And then the lighting just hits my room. I got the view. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to do this since March, I believe. And I thought everything was gonna go well. I never understand why it's so difficult for people to get places. Because they don't really say the reality of it, which is crazy. But it was hard. I got approved for everything with my credit. Everything was good, and then they seen my pay stubs and were like, no, I'm my bitch, I can't afford it. Why? You gotta make 3 or 3.5 times the rent of all the places I was looking at, because I was looking in Oakland, like near 19th Street, like Fox, Oakland, all that area. So everything was about $2,800 for a 1-bedroom. They kept offering me a studio. I called them for a studio. I did not want a studio. It was just, what's the point of moving into a smaller place if I'm already in a smaller place and having to pay for it? I'd rather just stay in a place that, you know, it's free. Yeah, but I'm so happy that I'm finally moving forward and doing something. I know I'm always doing something with my life, and I'm always grateful for the things that I do have. And it might seem like, okay, she's going to college, or she went to college, and what is she doing with her life? Yeah, I'm living my life. I'm not going to waste any time going into something where I'm fully committed when I know I am not ready to commit to a full-time career right now. I know that's not the best for me. I know that's the last of my options right now. I want to be able to live my life. I want to be able to say that I went to all these places and successfully went to all the bucket places that I've been trying to achieve. And I don't think that my time is now to be doing that. So be it. But I believe that it is my time to be independent. I have lived like out of home before, lived in the dorms, paid all of my dorming myself, which was not, you know, it wasn't hard. I know how to manage my money, which is really good. But the only thing was I was living with 2 other people in my room and then 3 other people in the room right next to me. So total it was 5 other girls that I was living with. And yeah, so this one I'm fully by myself. I'm so excited. I'm still where I'm from, which is really good because I don't mind where I live. I like where I'm from, and I like to rep where I'm from. And other people don't like to do that, which is, it's kind of sad, but that's just not me. I could have picked a different place just because in the beginning, but I think this is the best option for me. I like how it looks. I like the proximity of everything. The job that I am at currently takes me to work either from Hayward or Castro Valley, so I wanted to stay in the Hayward area. I'm going to show you more once it's like fully like fixed. I have so many ideas on how I want this to be. I want it to be like an aesthetic like restaurant. I really want it to be cute. I want to feel like mesmerized and inspired every time I come in here. And I'm a person that I would go to a restaurant or go any place as long as it has a pretty drink and aesthetics, take pictures, I'm there. So I want to have that reflection in my place as well. So I'm gonna have a vision of what I really want. I want to make this like the vinyl record and bar. So I want to get a bar cart. I have my record player right here, and then I have this globe. So it's gonna be very much like a travel friendly like area right here. I have my 2 luggages. This is just basically like decor and stuff that I'm gonna get set up, because I have the mistake of moving everything at once, and then it's very cluttered because I have a lot of stuff, which isn't a bad thing. A lot of people think, oh, you have a lot of stuff. No, it's never bad to have a lot of things. You should be grateful to be able to have the things that you have. I'm just trying to, you know, maximize my resources and do what I can with them. So I'm going to first I'm moving in here and I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna mop, vacuum, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna start putting the decorations. And then once the decorations are placed, I'm gonna go ahead and start moving all my clothes. I have a laundry room on this floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting everything in the laundry because it's been in like boxes or it's been in like suitcases and stuff like that. So I just wanna have like a fresh, clean slate. I do have a lot of clothes, so I will be starting to sell my stuff on like OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace just so I can get the money back from what I've spent because I spent a lot of money on clothes. And I do want to up my wardrobe to buy more, so I'm hoping with the money that I make from selling so much, I'll be able to get more. I'm sorry if you hear like the cars outside. I'm trying to like air this place out. But yeah, I will go into full detail of everything. If you have any questions, put them down below. Once I have everything fully finished, I'll go ahead and upload it. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll start posting more because I lost motivation and it was just so hard with work and everything to be doing so much. But I'm gonna start getting back to cooking. I'm gonna get back to editing, recording, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, share it, all that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, there's some new beginnings in 2023. I don't even know what year we're in anymore.
I just got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor wet. Walk around this beach naked.
This is the first closet. The second closet. This is the view. This is my bedroom. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like like greenery right here, like a bunch of leaves and make it really pretty. Oh, I wanted to put hella gorgeous, but that's hella high up. And I don't think that's the smartest idea. So I don't know where I'm gonna put the hella gorgeous at. But I have a sign that says hella gorgeous and I wanted to put it up there, but I didn't realize this mirror was gonna be that big. Unless like I take full body mirrors this fucking far back. And that's kind of cute. It kind of looks like that TikTok trend where people are done and they turn the red lights. I guess I can do that.